If OneNote is giving you a printer error or if your printout just refuses to show up the way it should, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple fix step by step so you can get OneNote printing working again. We'll start with repairing Microsoft 365, and then I'll show you a useful workaround that lets you insert a file as a printout directly inside OneNote. This is a great fix if printing from Chrome, Adobe Reader, Word, or another app keeps failing. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, we want to repair Microsoft Office because OneNote is often tied into your Microsoft 365 installation. On your keyboard, press Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box. In the Run window, type appwiz.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features list where you can manage installed applications. Now scroll through the list and find Microsoft 365 or whatever version of Microsoft Office you have installed. Once you find it, right-click it and choose Change. A repair window should appear with different options. Select Quick Repair first. This option is designed to fix common issues without needing a full reinstall, and it can rebuild broken components that may be causing the OneNote printer problem. After that, follow the prompts and let the configuration wizard complete the repair. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes. While it runs, it may look like nothing is happening, but that's normal. Once the repair is finished, restart your computer if prompted. After the restart, try printing to OneNote again and see if the issue is resolved. If the printer error still happens, there is another very useful method you can use. Instead of printing from a third-party app into OneNote, you can insert the document directly inside OneNote as a printout. This often bypasses driver-related problems and gives you a much more reliable result. To do that, open the OneNote app and go to the page where you want the document to appear. Make sure you are on the correct notebook and section before continuing. Once you're on the right page, click the Insert tab at the top ribbon. This is where OneNote keeps options for adding files, printouts, pictures, and more. Now look for File Printout, or in some versions you may see File and then insert as Printout. Click that option, then select the PDF or document you want to add. OneNote will process the file and display it as a visual printout on the page. The important part here is that OneNote uses its own internal translation engine to render the pages, which means it does not depend on your system's print spooler in the same way a normal print command does. This is especially helpful if printing from Chrome, Adobe Reader, Microsoft Word, or another app keeps failing when you try to send it to OneNote. By inserting the file directly, you can usually avoid the external printer path completely and still get the content into your notes. So to recap, the first fix is to repair Microsoft 365 using Quick Repair, and the second fix is to use OneNote's built-in file printout feature instead of printing from another app. In many cases, one of these two methods will solve the issue and get OneNote working normally again. If this tutorial helped you fix the OneNote printer error, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech help. And if you want, I can also help you with more OneNote fixes, Office repair issues, or other Windows troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.